Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to actually show you guys the easiest way to get 12 points instead of 0 points that you are usually getting, and also I will share a few tips that you can use to actually get the exact color that you want to use to paint, because if you don't get the exact color you will get 0 even if you are correct in what you want to do, but the color is not the matching color. Absolutely, you will be getting 0 points. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so this is what you bear in mind. First of all, you have to come over to this part here and click on it. Click on boost. Make sure you increase your painting reward to the maximum if you want to actually be getting 12 points per each correct pixel you painted. Also, increase your energy level. This will give you more energy to keep on painting. Max it out up to level 7, which is going to give you there around 25. Okay, so once you are there, make sure you are also claiming your PX here. Claim it. So after claiming that, now you've gotten some PX just from claiming. You can come every 8 hours. So this is what you have to do. Go click on tax. Okay, now we're done with this section. Go back, and if you zoom into this place that they are throwing bomb, that is the best place to actually go and repaint. When they are dropping this TNT, your TNT is just right here. You can purchase it and use it. I made a video on how to purchase those stuff there, how to buy Telegram stars. I'll put that link to the video in the description of this one. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in right now, and if I zoom in, someone is still throwing the TNT. It doesn't take long, but I think the person just have enough to keep on throwing. Okay, so once this person is done, there are going to be a lot of black and dark spots. Those dark spots, you will have to repaint it to the correct matching color. I will show you how to actually get the exact correct matching color so that you will be earning your points, and you would not make a mistake while painting it. Okay, let's go ahead and use this one here. You can see someone threw a grenade here. What do you need to do? Click outside of this, and okay, first of all, click on this here to check the original color. Let us zoom all the way in. I clicked on this so that we can be able to like zoom in and get the original color. So as you can see, the original color for this black spot here, the black spot is this one here, this one here, this one here. If I reduce the pixel, it's going to show me a black spot because someone threw a grenade and the color went off. Now I will increase it to see the color, original color. Now once you're able to master this, the next thing you will need to do is matching the color. Click out of the box, and then you can go ahead and pick the color, which is going to be this one here. But if you have this pipette, you can just go ahead and click on it, and the pipette will automatically put the color for you on your paintbrush. Now you can go ahead and go painting. If you increase the opacity of the original artwork, you can see that this place is meant to be green. Now adjust the opacity to the level you can use to work. This is how I do mine. Then I will zoom in. After zooming it in, I will activate this flash mode here. Click on it, and then anything I click, I'll be getting my 12 points. Now I am out of energy. I will click on this energy bar here. Once you click on it, it will refill for you. Then you click on this flash icon again so that it will activate your fast mode. Anything you tap here would be automatically green. You can see they are throwing this TNT, and they are actually destroying the artwork. You can see this happening live. I don't know what's going on. I think the map is about to change or something. Okay, so after this canvas has been destroyed with TNT, so right now your job is to go into that place, and make some painting, repaint the canvas, because now they have actually sent a message. Derny, this is a kind of a message, but let's keep on working. So when you zoom in, you would have to start repainting. Let's go for the part that has a better color. Click on this part here, zoom in, and then adjust the opacity. You will see that everywhere on this section is meant to be color yellow. Go ahead, look for one of this color yellow, and then change your color, and then just zoom it all the way in and start painting. If you want to actually paint faster, make use of this paint can if you want to paint faster, but I'm okay with the way I'm painting it. So let me just show you guys how it is done. So once you have gotten this portion that you know is yellow, you have to know what you're working with, and then you go into work mode. So every place here that is showing black color, you are meant to change it to yellow. And you'll be getting 12. You'll be getting 12. You'll be getting, this game is faster to play on your laptop with your mouse. You would log it on, and then you switch it. You click on this portion here. You can see desktop version. You click on it. This is when you are logged in on your Telegram on your PC. Okay, guys, for those of you actually joining the game newly, the link is in the description. You can play this game right now and keep leveling up. I've showed you everything you need to know, and I've showed you an additional trick you can use to keep on getting the exact color and knowing what to actually color at that portion. You can see if you zoom up all the way up, it's colored. So this whole section is meant to be yellow. Any color that is not yellow, you replace it. Very simple, very simple, straightforward. Like, there is nothing hard here. This is just basic coloring that we did while growing up, or if you are still doing that as a side hustle or as a handwork, or it's your hobby, it's just the same. Okay, let's go ahead and keep painting. See you guys in the next one. I'll keep on bringing videos like this for you until NotPixel launch. All right, peace out.